Folks, it's time. We have massive breaking news coming from China. Check this out. The silver squeeze ignites $100 an ounce in trading frozen in China. Global silver shock. China's $100 an ounce price freeze unleashes a supply deficit tsunami. Silver's historic mispricing sets the stage for a super spike. And look at this tweet from this dude in China. I'm not going to try to pronounce his name, but he says, breaking. China's investment funds related to silver futures have stopped subscription $100 plus. And that was written today, 9/30. You can see right here, 9/30/2025. This is all breaking news, folks. Best way to see what silver's going to do in the West is to look east. First and foremost, though, thank you for tuning into your daily silver news. My name is Silver Slayer, and if you want the latest information on what's happening across the globe, specifically China in this video, and how that affects the price of precious metals on a daily basis, click subscribe and click the bell. I will wrap up all the information and put it into a shiny, sparkly YouTube video for you so you don't have to sit in front of a computer screen for hours a day doing research. I got you. Also, I'm doing a silver giveaway tomorrow. I am giving away silver on the 31st of every single month, but that's only to the elite society, the secret silver society. That's where we have this live chat room. We can post pictures of our stack, ask questions, and every member has a raffle ticket every month. Patreon.com/silverslayer. You want to buy some of this stuff instead of just hopefully winning every month? Send an email to info@milesfranklin.com. Let them know Slayer sent you. Andy Sheckman's the CEO. We have weekly specials, gold, silver, and platinum specials, massive inventory, great prices, great company. Support your local silver stacker. Don't buy from these big corporations. Anyways, let's go. China's silver market has erupted, with spot prices surging past $100 an ounce, prompted by a sudden freeze on all the spot trades and fund subscriptions, with mining deliveries lagging 30 to 120 days behind. Physical silver simply cannot be sourced fast enough to meet this parabolic demand. Folks, what does this remind you of? Comment down below before I say it. There's a rule. It's a rule the government put on, or I guess did with the Hunt brothers on the COMEX, and this law is called Silver Rule 7. Banned silver trading on the COMEX because the Hunt brothers were buying up all the silver and turning the contracts into physical, and it was about to expose the facade, so the government just banned silver trading on the spot. You had to sell it. You couldn't sell it to your friends or family. You had to sell it back to the feds. Not the same situation, but it's similar. Also, like these contracts, you see the delays, the 30 to 120 day delays. That's also a constant reoccurring thing where they're going to try to push it out, or just not even give it to you and make you settle in cash, period. But anyways, industrial demand for silver is experiencing a historic boom, especially with China's dominance across solar manufacturing, AI deployment, and auto production, including EV giants like BYD, which I've talked about in the past. Whether it's advanced solid state or sodium ion batteries, both rapidly expanding industries depend critically on silver's unrivaled electrical properties. This sharp demand spike comes as the market faces its fifth consecutive year of structural deficits, 117 million ounces short in 2025 alone. The last 5 or 6 years has been about 1 billion ounces in the red. 1 billion ounces in the red in just the last 5 or 6 years. And it's only getting worse. No realistic hope of an immediate supply response. What do you learn? Investing 101. If you're going to take an investing class, the first thing you would tell, your student is low supply, high demand pushes the price up. That's how you determine something of value. Low supply with a high demand. If it has a low supply and a very high demand, it's scarce. Actually, for example, I have 4 original unopened packs of Pokemon cards from 1999. Very, 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 very low supply, high demand. Those packs, if I'm about to turn them in to get graded, probably around $5,000-$10,000 a pack. And as time goes on, more and more people are opening the original packs from 1998. So in like 5, 10, 15, 20, I'll be the only people in the world that have an original unopened pack of Pokemon. Everyone's opening the packs because, yes, I could pull a card that's $10,000. But why not just not open them? Because, anyways, whole separate thing, but that's just my investing brain. Anyways, though, low supply, high demand pushes the price up. So, the mining ratio trap, an extreme mispricing. Here's the shocking math. Right now, for each ounce of gold extracted, only 7 ounces of silver are mined. Or not only, I guess 7 ounces of silver are mined. Yet the market is trading at a gold to silver ratio near 85 to 1. Historically, this ratio averaged closer to 50 or 60, and it plummeted to 14 during the 1980 peak when silver's limited above ground supply and industrial use forced a repricing. So yes, he did revert back to 1980 with the Hunt brothers that pushed silver to the highest price it's been till this day. But every 7 new ounces dug up, 2/3 are consumed by industry and never recycled, right? Most silver is a byproduct. They're looking for gold, lead, zinc. If they find silver, they'll take it, but they're not looking for it. There's very few silver mines. Plus, since silver is an industrial metal, most silver that gets dug up is going to be thrown away in landfills, never to be recycled. That ounce of gold that gets dug up is going to stay in circulation because it's going, especially because it's a monetary metal, it's used for coins, bars, and jewelry, necklaces, earrings, and it gets pawned and remelted into more coins, jewelry, bars, earrings. Where silver, it's industrial, so it gets thrown away in a landfill, in laptops and cell phones. Or if it is a necklace, nobody's going to pawn their grandma's necklace for $2.50. But if it's a gold chain, I bet they do. Gold gets remelted. I bet an ounce of gold that gets dug up will stay in circulation for a century. An ounce of silver that gets dug up is thrown away within a couple of decades. And silver's the one that's scarce, by the way. Regardless of that, though, even the ratio coming out of the Earth's crust at 7 to 1, why is it 85 to 1? Why is gold 85 times more valuable than silver when silver has 85,000 times more uses than gold does? Anyways, though, 95% of gold remains above ground, simply stored and traded. The structural deficit is intensifying, shrinking available inventories worldwide, while hundreds of billions in cash, bonds, and stocks could be redirected to silver with even minor portfolio allocation changes. The super spike potential, bargain today, mania tomorrow. Silver's trading at a tiny fraction of gold's price, but market mechanics, tight supply, relentless industrial demand, and speculative momentum could drive the ratio back towards historical norms, unleashing silver's price into triple, even quadruple digit territory when panic and FOMO set in, which it will. In previous silver bull markets, as investors and industrial users compete for an even scarcer metal, prices can move exponentially. Here's the bottom line. The breakout is here. The world is now witnessing silver break loose. The global market is staring down a relentless squeeze on dwindling inventories. Physical delivery is months away. Spot trades are frozen. I mean, this reminds me of what would happen if the COMEX collapses. And when the COMEX collapses, price discovery will come out on top because that's how they suppress the price. But if the facade gets exposed, boom, there you have it. As legacy pricing mechanisms shatter, which I was just saying, expectations for silver above 100, 200, even 500 or more are moving from fantasy to plausible near future scenarios. The mania's just begun. The facade of silver being held down by all of this paper silver now getting exposed, the facade is leaving and true price discovery is coming to the forefront. And the craziest thing is, yes, silver is up, substantially. It's done amazing recently, but we're just getting started. Most other assets, if it was up right now, that was the explosion. Silver still hasn't exploded. That's the craziest thing. We are sitting on the opportunity of a lifetime, folks. I probably bought this coin for like $15 back, this is 2011, so I don't know, I probably bought it for 15 something dollars. This coin is worth way more than not only $15, but $47. An ounce of silver is always going to have an ounce inside of it, regardless of who says that coin is worth what. Because the coin's value is the 1 ounce of silver inside of it, not the price tag attached to it, not the spot price. People look at silver's value by looking at the spot price, and that's why they're horrible investors and very unsuccessful. Just do the opposite of what the everyday person does and you'll be fine, because they do the exact opposite of what they're supposed to do. Anyways, though, yeah, I thought this is some interesting news that needs to be talked about. I hope you guys subscribed. I hope you liked the video. I hope you purchased from Miles Franklin. I hope you joined the Secret Silver Society. I hope you go purchase your new tinfoil hat at ag47apparel.com. We have 3 different colorways. Get your tinfoil hat, folks. If you want the AG47 hat, you want the Down the Rabbit Hole logo hat, you want Donald Trump holding a silver American Eagle, you want different colorways, we got it all here, folks. ag47apparel.com. You want your MK Ultra shirt? What you want, folks? I got you. Clothing line for silver stackers. Anyways, I also need a designer. If anyone knows how to design cool clothes, because I do all this myself, hit me up. I have a lot of other stuff. It's just all sold out right now. But anyways, I love you all. Thank you so much for tuning in. This was Silver Slayer. Veteran, stick around. I have something for you. Let's go. From now on, every single month on the 31st, you have a chance to win silver, a continuous silver giveaway. Well, if you become a member of the Secret Silver Society on my Patreon, you have that opportunity. So every single month, you have something exciting to look forward to, which would be winning silver. On top of that, you'll have access to a live chat room with other silver stackers where you can post pictures and chat, just hang out with everyone, and have early access to my videos along with supporting me. If this is something you'd like to do, then come join my Patreon. It's patreon.com/silverslayer. Upon joining, you'll be given a monthly raffle ticket and instant access to that chat room. Go introduce yourself. Everyone is super nice, and it's more personal and intimate than a YouTube comment section. Folks, I'm so excited to announce that I've partnered with American medical experts whose purpose is helping veterans get the medical benefits that they truly deserve. Over 17 million veterans aren't receiving their full benefits, and if this is you or someone you know, then act now. American medical experts are offering free consultations through our med team to see how we can help. The med team offers board-certified doctors who have experience working with the VA, comprehensive medical evidence for services like mental health as well. Some of these include your Nexus letter, your DBQs, your TDIUs, your AAs, and more. I want to personally thank American Medical Experts for helping veterans, but also giving me an opportunity to help veterans as well. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment to get a free consultation through our med team. Thank you so much for listening, and God bless.